Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So I have taken out card for Sagittarius. This is a general reading from 1st to 15th of May and please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. And the cards are already shuffled. It's basically the obstacle, guidance and outcome which you might come across during 1st to 15th of May. Let's see what the cards have for you. What is the obstacle that might come on your way or you're dealing right now is? Okay, Seven of Wands. I think you are somewhere stuck in a situation where you need to prove yourself, you need to prove your worth, or it can also be a defensive situation where you need to you need to defend yourself to to make sure that you get where you are or what is your plan. Okay, it's also like there is so much obstacles, ups and down happening that you are kind of tired of putting everything together and not able to create balance. Okay, so it's like you are just fighting and not giving up, which is a very good spirit, but at the same time you have to make sure that even if the situation is difficult, you are doing good. Okay, so you do not have to give up, just keep fighting for what is for you, what is meant for you, and what do you think you should take stand for. Okay, yeah, let's see what is the guidance for you, Sagittarius, here from 1st to 15th of May. Okay, so I think here for you it's like you need to be very careful in handling the situations wherever you are feeling like it's a very complicated thing and you are kind of stuck and you need to deal with so many situations, so many people, so you have to be very careful in dealing with them. Okay, it can be in your money related matters, materialistic things. Basically you need to be very careful while handling or taking any decisions when it comes to your finances. Also at the same time you have to make sure that you need to be very mature. Okay, you don't have to it's like you need to avoid an immature kind of behavior when you are trying to come out of a situation wherever you are stuck or you're feeling like it's a fighter energy. Okay, so you have to be very careful, very mindful of the communication you are going to have or the way you are approaching another person or how you are handling the situation. Okay, so guidance here for you is to be very careful while dealing with the situations, very careful when it comes to your money matters, and handle things with so much of care. Okay, let's see what is the outcome for you. Yeah, outcome is very positive. So see here, Seven of Wands, here Six of Wands, right? So outcome here is once you know how to deal with the situation, things will definitely grow in your favor. Maybe the situation where you are stuck, the people you are dealing with will only cheer for you later on, right? So it's like it's a testing phase for you. Basically I feel that you are being tested on how you will deal with a particular situation. So guidance is very clear. Try not to be an immature person. Try to handle things with care, with mindfulness, with proper communication, patience and calmness. Okay, and things will definitely turn out in your favor. And it's a very positive card, it's a very positive reading. Okay, Sagittarius, I hope you liked it. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. And if you want me to put the detailed readings for the next 15 days of May and the coming months forward, please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.